The first pipe fills 1 by x part of water in a tank in 1 hour, and the second pipe fills 1 by x plus 10 portion of tank in 1 hour, and together both the pipe fills 1 by 12 portion of tank. Now let's solve this. So find the LCM. It's x into x plus 10, and this will be x plus 10 because x into x plus 10, so 1 into x plus 10 plus here it comes x. LCM of this is x. And here on the right hand side 1 by 12. Next x plus x is 2x plus 10, and this x into x is x square plus 10x. I'm just moving here x square plus 10x and move this 12 also. So I simplified and I did cross multiplication in a single step. So it becomes 12 into 2x plus 10 into 1 into x square plus 10x. Next, this multiply this 24x plus 120 equal to x square plus 10x. Then move this to the right side. So it's already x square plus 10x on the right side. Let's move this. So it becomes minus 24x and minus 120 equal to 0. And now it's 10x and minus 24x is minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. And this equation is of the form ax square bx plus c. Let's factorize it. Let's take 120 and factorize it. So the product is minus 120 and we have to get the sum minus 14. Sum of the term minus 14. So 120 it's 2 into 60 is 120, then 3 into 40 is 120, 4 into 30 is 120, 5 into 24 is 120, 6 into 20 is 120. But this summation will not give minus 14, summation of this will not give minus 14. So, but summation of this 6 and 20 gives 14. If it is minus 20 plus 6 gives you minus 40, and the product of this gives minus 120. So it's the factors are 6 and minus 20. And let's take that and write here. So the factors of this quadratic equation is x plus 6 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 6 and x equal to plus 20. And the time can't be negative, so we can't take it. Let's take this. So x equal to 20 hours. The first pipe fills the tank in 20 hours. Second pipe fills the tank in x plus 10, so 30 hours. So the answer is 30 hours. The similar question, the tap with the smaller diameter fills 1 by x, tap with the longer diameter, and together it is 8 by 15. Then let's solve it. 6 minus 2 plus x by x into x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. Then do cross multiplication and simplify that. So it becomes 15 and x is 2x plus minus 2. Then here when you move this and simplify it as x square minus 2x. Then multiply it's 30x minus 30 is equal to 8x square minus 16x. Then move this that side, so it's minus 30x plus 30. So 8x square minus 46x plus 30 equal to 0. And this equation is we can divide it by 2 because it's divisible by 2. So it becomes 4x square minus 23x plus 15 equal to 0. So this is of equation ax square plus bx plus c. So let's take this quadratic equation and solve it. To factorize this quadratic equation, take it, it's 4x square minus 23x and plus 15 equal to 0. So the prime factors of x squared term is 1x and 4x. Then prime factor of constant is 3 and 5. But if you multiply this, it's 5x plus 12x. 5x plus 12x will not give 23x sum. So let's change the order, make it this as 5 and this as 3. And now it's multiply, it's x into 3, so it's 3x, and 4x into 5, it's 20x. The summation of these two will give you 23x. And the sum should be minus 23x, so this both should be negative. So negative sign in both. And the factors of this is x minus 5 and 4x minus 3. So let's take and write here. So it's, the factors are x minus 5 and 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 and 4x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 by 4, and this will give the negative result. So let's not take this x value, take this x value, which is 5. So the answer is, the smaller diameter tap takes 5 hours to fill, and the longer diameter tap takes, it's 2 hours lesser than the smaller one. So it's 5 minus 2, so 3 hours.